Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Freddie Mac LoanLookups for data access, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Freddie Mac LoanLookups for data access, begin by visiting the Freddie Mac website. Locate the LoanLookups portal on the home page. Click on the portal link to be directed to the authentication page. Select the sign-in option if you already have an account. If you're a new user, click on the Register option to create a new account. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and company information. Ensure that your password meets the specified criteria for security purposes. After completing the registration form, submit your information. Check your email for a confirmation link from Freddie Mac. Click the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once verified, return to the LoanLookups portal. Enter your email address and password to sign in. Review and accept any terms of service or user agreements presented. Upon successful login, you will access the LoanLookups dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available data options. To retrieve loan data, navigate to the specified section within the dashboard. Select the criteria for the LoanLookups you wish to perform. After setting the parameters, initiate the data retrieval process. Review the results once they appear on your screen. If needed, download or export the data in your preferred format. Log out of your account when finished to ensure your data remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.